could introduce myself, but you know who I am. I'm everywhere. I'm all over your tablet, all over your computer, all over your phone. I'm everywhere. Stereo Man, Rare Auto Accessories. Today we're going to be installing this 1850 EDPB, which is the full feature two-way alarm remote start on this brand new Ford Flex right here. We're going to be installing this. It's going to have door triggers, shock sensor, everything. And you're going to see how it's done flawlessly. Every time, every job. If you want this too, all you got to do is make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Now let's do this. Okay, it's coming along here as you can see. And this vehicle, a lot of wiring required. Everything has to be hardwired because it's a Ford. We've got the main harness hooked up. We've got just about everything on the secondary harness hooked up already. This vehicle has individual door triggers, so each door trigger has to be wired up individually and diode isolated to prevent false triggering of the alarm for the door triggers. Remember that if you're not a trained professional, do not attempt this. Leave it to the pros at Rare Auto. When you want the best, you make the call. 708-821-3526. We're now on my favorite part, the demonstration of the 1850 EDPB, two-way alarm remote start. Now the alarm is not activated, but then we hit the lock button, horn beeps, lights flash, doors lock. And then when you deactivate the alarm, parking lights come on, and it indicates it on the remote that it's disarmed as well. And then, of course, main feature, the remote start. Starts right up, of course. And see how it shows the RS on the remote with the timer and all that good stuff. And then when you get in the vehicle and you look around, nothing missing, nothing broken, no wires hanging, nothing in disarray. Totally professional installation, as always, as you would expect with any install from Rare Auto Accessories. Truly professional. Every job, every time.
If you do it, that means you got to count.
And the remote, you can cut it off as well.
You have to go back. You have to repeat.
Now, the alarm portion of it. The alarm is activated right now. So, if someone were to hit the vehicle lightly, you hear that? It also indicates it on the remote. If the vehicle is hit with some force or if a window is busted out, then this is what happens. All right. Also, door sensors on all 5 doors of the vehicle. So now the alarm's activated again. And let's just say because you see in this vehicle there's no key cylinder for the tailgate door. But let's just say someone else who had the vehicle before, they still have an extra remote that works for it. So even if they use their factory remote to unlock the doors and they push the button to open the tailgate door right here because it's a solenoid in here, watch what happens. See that? And it shows the door sensor on the remote. Like I said before, it works like that in all 5 doors. I'll show you one of the back doors. Same example. Even if you left the window down, or if the window was partway down, even if somebody reached in and unlocked it, and they opened up the door, this is what happens. See that? Need I go any further? I don't think I need to show the remaining 2 doors. You see how it works. You see that the system functions flawlessly as advertised every time. When you want the best, you make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Like I said before, you all know who I am. You've seen enough of my videos. I'm everywhere. That's why they call me Savoir Faire. Savoir Faire is everywhere. I'm all over your internet. I'm all over your TV. I'm all over your computer. I'm all over your phone. I'm all over your tablet. Everywhere. Greer Auto. 708-821-3526.
You stupid.
Shut the fuck up over there. See my cousin Steven laughing, talking shit.
That's what I do.
See, he messing up my video here. He got me off focus a little bit for a minute, but I'm back in the game now. Once again, another flawless install. So all you gotta do is make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Follow us, like us, subscribe to us, call us, and refer us. We'll see you next time. Peace.